Hello students. So before video we discussed about type 1. Now type 2. Finding time when angle is given. So when the angle, I take one example students. When the angle between the hands of a clock 40 degrees, 40 degrees and the hours hands in the between 4 and 5, what are the possible times? So this is a problem. I take one example here. So this type of model very useful for NTSC examination, any competitive examination also. Right. So what are the given data here? Theta is equal to 40 degrees in our hand. So what is the H means initial time 4 and 5. Or the first our hand here 4. That's why I take initial time is equal to 4. So for suppose given 5 to 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours. What is the initial time here? H value 5 only. H value 5. Okay. So understood students? Now we have one formula theta t is equal to time is equal to 2 by 11 30 h plus or minus theta. Right. So t is equal to these two values substitute here 2 by 11 into 30 into h value 4 plus or minus theta value 40 degrees. Now, so t is equal to 2 by 11 into 30, 34 the 120 plus 40. Right. So t is equal to 2 by 11 into plus or minus. Now take the initial possible values here. Time 1. You take first positive value. So 2 by 11 into 120 plus 40. Take only positive. So time 2 by 11 into 120 plus 40, 160. Right. So time is equal to 160 into 2, 320 by 11 minutes. 11 minutes. Okay. So that is a first time. Now second time. Time 2 is equal to 2 by 11, 120 minus, here plus or minus no, that's why minus 40. So 2 by 11 into 120 minus 40, 80. Okay, now 2 by 11 into 80 into 2, 160. 160 by 11 minutes. So faster, 4 hours. Okay. So I hope you everybody understood this type of problems. You take so much examples and practice. So before some and theta given and initial time also given. Now as of the second type of model, at what time between 5 to 6 o'clock two hands of a clock are together. So this is very important, this type of model. Together means hands of the clock, minute hand, hour hand. So together means coincide. This minute hand, this is our hand. When the coincide here 0 degrees, then theta is equal to 0 degrees. So in the indirectly degree is not given. Okay, directly degree is not given. Indirectly given degree is equal to 0 degrees. Right. Now what is the initial time here? H is equal to 5 hours initial time. Now what are the possible times here? So t is equal to, so same from 2 by 11 into 30h plus or minus theta. Same problem. So theta is equal to 2 by 11 into 30 into h initial time 5 plus or minus 0. So time is equal to 2 by 11 30 into 5. 5 3 is 15, 150 plus or minus 0. Okay. And now what is the possible here? Time 0 means we take plus or minus with the same. So t is equal to 2 by 11 into 150. So 150 to the 300 by 11 minutes. Past 5. 300 by 11 minutes past 5. Okay. So this is together. At what time between 5 to 6 o'clock? Two hands of the clock are together. Together means 0 degrees. To a coincide. Together means 0 degrees. Okay. Now, third problem, students. At what time between 8 to 9 clock, the two hands of the clock are opposite to each other. Hour hand and minute hand opposite to each other, like this. So this is minute hand and this is hour hand. This is center point. So opposite each other means what is the angle here? 180 degrees. So directly angles are not given, but opposite to each other is a given statement here. Okay, once observe the given statement, so angle is equal to 180 degrees, right? Now here theta is equal to 180 degrees, right? Now what is the initial time? Initial time means h. H is equal to 8 hours. 8 hours after only. 8 hours after only you can opposite to each other, right? Now time is equal to 2 by 11 into 30h plus or minus theta, plus or minus theta. So time is equal to 2 by 11 30 into h, 8 plus or minus theta value 180 degrees. So time is equal to 2 by 11, time is equal to 2 by 11 30 into 8 240 plus or minus 180, right? So we take positive or negative also no problem. So time is equal to 2 by 11 into 240 minus 180. 240 minus 180. I take negative because of highest value minus lowest value is better. So 2 by 11, 240 minus 180, 60. So 60 into 2, 16 into 2, 120, 120 by 11. So 120, it is a improper fraction. The improper fraction converted to mixed fraction. So 10 by 11 minutes past, past, past 8 hours. Past 8 hours. Past 8. So these two model also very very important. Okay, sir. Okay, students. Practice. Okay. Now first problem completed, second problem completed, third problem completed. Now fourth problem, fourth model. At what time between 4 and 5 o'clock, two hands of the clock from right angle. So here time is given, initial time is 4, but theta not given directly. Okay, indirectly given right angle. So theta is equal to how much here? 90 degrees. Now h value, initial time 4. Initial time is 4, right? So time is equal to same formula 2 by 11 into 30h plus or minus theta. Okay, time is equal to 2 by 11 into 30 into h, 4 plus or minus 90. So time is equal to 2 by 11 into 34 is 120 plus 90. So plus or minus 90. Now what are the possible timings here? You take plus value and negative value also no problem. Okay. So sometimes are given two options, sometimes you are given one option. Okay. You check the plus and minus also. Okay. Time is equal to T1 is equal to 2 by 11 into 120 plus 90. 120 plus 90. 120 plus 90, 210. So T1 is equal to 2 by 11 into 210. Now 210 into 2, 210 into 2, this is numerator, this is also numerator. So 420 by 11. It is a improper fraction. Okay. So all options are given mixed fraction like that. So T1 is equal to 420 by 11. 11 into 420 by 11. 38. 38 2 by 11. 38 2 by 11. Past 8 hours. Past 8 hours. Okay. So I hope you everybody understood. Type 2. Find the time when angle is given. Problem number 1, problem number 2, problem number 3, and problem number 4 models. Okay. So thank you very much.